now I'm going to put the starter into the car. It's going to be a little bit more difficult than it was to get it out, because when I was getting it out at the pick and pull, there's a lot of parts of the car there that were not there. So it's a lot easier to get this starter, it just basically fell into my hands. Here it's going to be a little bit more difficult because I have the air intake in the way, I have part of the engine in the way, a lot of other things in the way. So I will guide you through it, and this will give you a realistic idea of how you want to get started back into the car. Woo! Bam! I got part of the motor mount out. Basically, I couldn't find any clearance to get the nut out, or the bolt out that was right there. Let me see if I can turn on the bolt out that was right there, or that one. And I needed to get one of them out so that I could get the other one out. And I'm going to show you guys how I did that in just a sec. See if just getting the wheel looking part of the motor mount out, it gives me enough clearance to get the starter in. If not, then I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to get this bolt out, because I was having some trouble.
bolt. This is size 14. I'm not sure what thread size it is. But just use the same bolts that, if you're replacing your starter, use the same bolt that you had on it originally. Or if you just took it out to bench test it, or whatever you did, you know, just use the original bolts. So this clip is for the positive terminal, I believe, and it goes right here in this little clip right here. Until you hear a click. And then this one is the ground cable, this big one with the thingy over it. And this one goes over this bolt. So, and then that's okay, and then we have this one. This goes over here. And then I'm not sure if you have to torque it to any kind of specification, but definitely check that and make sure you do that if you do have to do that. Because you always want to make sure that you torque it. And we got it on. Put that over there, and voila. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please think about subscribing. I'd greatly appreciate it. And let me know your feedback on if this video was a good one, what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, so that I can constructively criticize myself and get better. Okay, until next time.